In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your billable expenses and seamlessly add them to an invoice. Whether you're running a small business or freelancing, keeping track of expenses and ensuring they are billed to your clients is a crucial part of managing your finances. So let's dive in and simplify this process for you. First, let's talk about the importance of marking expenses as billable. When you incur a cost that should be charged back to a client, it's crucial to mark it correctly right at the beginning. This ensures that the expense doesn't fall through the cracks and is properly accounted for when it's time to bill your client. Now, when you're entering an expense, you'll want to make sure to check the billable option. This is often a simple checkbox found next to the expense entry fields. Checking this box signifies that this cost is directly associated with a client and can later be added to their invoice. Next, you'll need to select the customer who will be billed for this expense. This is typically done in a designated customer field. Choosing the right client at this stage is essential for maintaining accurate records and ensuring that your invoice reflects all the correct charges. Once you've marked your expenses as billable and linked them to the appropriate customer, it's time to turn our attention to the invoicing process. This is where the magic of organized bookkeeping truly shines. When you're ready to create an invoice for a customer, you'll want to make sure you include all relevant billable expenses. Start by accessing the customer's transactions. Most accounting software provides a detailed list of transactions associated with each customer. Here, you should easily find the expenses you previously marked as billable. Once you locate these expenses, you'll add them to the customer's invoice. Adding these expenses might require a simple click or drag and drop depending on the system you're using. The key here is making sure that every charge you incur on behalf of the client is accurately reflected on their invoice. This ensures transparency and helps maintain trust with your clientele. Accuracy is key when dealing with financial matters, so double check the invoice before sending it off. Review the added expenses to confirm they match what you've recorded and make any necessary adjustments. This will give you confidence that you're invoicing the correct amounts. And there you have it. By marking expenses as billable, associating them with the correct customer, and following through on the invoicing, you streamline your billing process and enhance your financial accuracy. This practice not only helps in keeping your accounts organized, but also ensures you get reimbursed for all client-related expenses. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide empowers you to manage your billable expenses with ease and efficiency.